What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to get a Mazda CX-30 started if the key fob dies. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2022 Mazda CX-30 in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons on the side work. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message on the dash saying key not detected. Touch key fob to push button start switch. So that's what we're going to do. Press the brake in like normal. Then I'm going to take the key fob and I'm going to hold the top of it up to the stop start button. And you'll see the stop start button will glow solid instead of blink. And then you can just start the vehicle as normal. And now you'll be ready to drive as normal, and you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob if you're not familiar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.